Alright, now Samsung just unveiled their latest smartwatches at the Galaxy Unpacked. And today we are comparing the elegant Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and the rugged Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025. Both are packed with cutting edge technology, but they are built for very different users. Let's find out which one is perfect for you. First, let's talk about the similarities between these two watches. Both of them have the same brains. Both run on the Samsung's new 3nm Exynos W1005 core chipset with 2 GB of RAM. This means incredibly fast performance and smooth multitasking on both these models. You're getting Wear OS 6 with Samsung's One UI 8 watch interface on both, ensuring a consistent and intuitive experience, and both of them will get 4 major Wear OS updates. Next, the AI power. They are world's first smartwatches with Google's Gemini AI built in, offering hands-free voice control for complex tasks like starting workouts or summarizing emails, and a lot more you can do with Gemini on the Galaxy Watches now. And this feature, of course, will come to the previous generations of watches as well, and the recently launched Galaxy 8 series are the first one to get it. Next, advanced health tracking. Both watches feature the exact same comprehensive suite of health sensors and new features. The new features include bedtime guidance, vascular load, running coach, and innovative antioxidant index, plus FDA authorized sleep apnea detection. All these features are available on both the watches. Next, the display. Both of them offer stunning Super AMOLED displays with 3000 nits of peak brightness and durable sapphire glass protection on both, ensuring excellent visibility even in direct sunlight. Next, pinpoint GPS accuracy. Dual frequency GPS L1 plus L5 on both ensures highly accurate location tracking even in challenging environments. So the core smart and health features are identical on both the watches. The real decision comes down to how they look, how they feel, and how they are built to handle your lifestyle. So now let's dive into the key differences that set these two watches apart. First, design and materials. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic embraces a timeless aesthetic with its premium stainless steel body and the highly anticipated return of physical rotating bezel for tactile navigation. And that rotating bezel itself will make a lot of difference in navigating your watch. In contrast, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025 is built for adventure, featuring a rugged titanium case without the physical rotating bezel. Now coming to the size and display, the Classic comes in a single 46mm size with a 1.34-inch Super AMOLED display measuring 10.6mm thick and weighing 63.5 grams. And the Ultra, on the other hand, at 47mm offers a slightly larger 1.5-inch Super AMOLED display and is thicker at 12.1mm, yet surprisingly lighter at 60.5 grams thanks to its titanium build. Now the most important part, the battery life. This is going to be a major differentiator. The Classic features a solid 445 mAh battery for reliable daily use. However, the Ultra truly excels here with a massive 590 mAh battery, delivering up to 100 hours in power saving mode or an impressive 60 hours with always on display turned on, perfect for multi-day excursions. We can expect about 1.5 to 2 days of battery life on the Classic, and in my experience on the Ultra, we can expect more than 2.5 days of battery performance. Now coming to the durability part, both watches are tough with IP68 dust and water resistance with MIL STD 810H certification, but the Ultra takes ruggedness further with 10 ATM water resistance, which is 100 meter water resistance, safe for deep diving and ocean swims. And this is double the Classic's 5 ATM rating. This is a big difference again. The Ultra also operates reliably in extreme temperatures from 20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius, which may not be the case with the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Now when it comes to internal storage, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025 now come with a generous 64 GB of internal storage, providing ample space for all your apps, music and data. I actually missed this point in the similarities, so both of them come with 64 GB of internal storage. Now coming to the connectivity, while Classic offers both Bluetooth only and LTE variants, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025 comes with 4G LTE connectivity as standard on all models, ensuring you're always connected even without your phone. So if you need a Bluetooth variant, you will not get it in the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025. Even on the previous version, the last year's Galaxy Watch Ultra, we did not have the Bluetooth variant, But now with the Classic, we get to choose either Bluetooth or LTE variants. Next, the physical controls and safety. The Classic features its iconic physical rotating bezel plus home, back and customizable quick button. The Ultra also includes a customizable quick button which doubles as a powerful 86 decibels SOS siren audible up to 180 meters away, a critical safety feature for adventurers. The Ultra also includes an energy score powered by Galaxy AI for daily readiness insights. Now these are some of the major differences. Now let's talk about the pricing. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025 starts at $650. The Classic is more accessible with the Bluetooth model starting at $499 and the LTE model at $549. Now let's talk about which is the right watch for you. The choice between the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025 truly boils down to your personal priorities and how you plan to use your smartwatch every single day. If you're someone who appreciates the finer details, values a classic timepiece aesthetic, and loves the satisfying precise control of a physical rotating bezel, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is designed with you in mind. It's perfect for blending seamlessly into your professional life, social events, and everyday fitness routines, offering premium style without compromising on smart feature. However, if your life involves pushing boundaries, whether it's through extreme sports, multi-day outdoor adventures, or simply a need for unparalleled resilience, then Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025 is your ultimate companion. Its rugged titanium build, superior water resistance, and marathon battery life mean it's built to keep up with anything you throw at it, ensuring reliability when it matters most. Both are truly incredible smartwatches, showcasing Samsung's commitment to innovation, but they cater to distinct priorities. We would love to hear from you. Which of these two powerhouses caught your eye and why? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you Team Classic or Team Ultra? If this comparison helped you make a decision, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tech reviews and comparisons. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for tuning in and I will see you in the next video. Cheers, bye-bye.